At Digital Penang, one of the initiatives we're doing is this Penang SME Go Digital campaign. So the idea is to get SMEs to start selling online. And so this is our focus this year.
Move on today agenda. What's in it for you? So today we're going to go for website creation 101. Yeah. We cannot run away from fundamental things. We must understand what is domain and hosting. Okay. And the third one is installing CMS. All right. We go more details about all this. And of course, we will, you can see that all here, the content that we have created, right? We have sit down and brainstorm and created this content so that is applicable and it is actionable, right? Immediately you can apply it. Yeah. So there will be also a demo towards the end, and we also will highlight to you what is next for you. Okay. When you have a website, what you need is you need a land to build the shop, right? So the land is the metaphor equivalent to the hosting, right? You need to host it on certain land. You want to build your house, right? You need the land to build on. So for website, you need to sit on something. It needs to sit on a hosting, okay? And server cannot take it. Boom, boom, crash. Oh, yo, I tell you, how much loss of sales. Can you imagine? Yeah. If your product, let's say one each 100 ringgit, wow, how much that you will lose. You already spend so much on marketing, you already spend so much on the pre-launching activities and all that. Just imagine. All right, therefore uptime should be at 100%. No compromise on this, especially the website is generating.
We put our location into the Google, so when people like our potential customers look at our product or services, they can find our physical store. They can direct them to our physical store. So same go into the website.
Even in current pandemic is really a really good time to pivot and to go online or to have more presence online.
So once you've got your domain, and we have also talked about hosting, right? So you've got your address, you've got your land, you've put your shop on the internet already, right? You have your address with the tenancy sign, you've confirmed, and your office is now set up. Okay, so the next thing you want to do now is you really want to decorate your shop. That is like adding content to your website, adding posts, adding pages, creating catalog, adding picture description, contact form so people can contact you, and many other things. I use Shi Jing's name. Shi Jing, you did not purchase, right? I'm going to purchase your domain now. Shi Jing, right? Okay, so I'm going to do a search. Okay, congratulations, Shi Jing is available.
Okay, got one more time, one more chance, hope. Okay, congratulations to Julian Uy. Julian Uy, congrats.
Exabytes. Grow your business online.